Hi guys, today I'm going to review on Freecash app. Before moving to this app, if you are new today, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get notified at earliest opportunities when I upload the new videos. So without delay, let's jump into the actual app. In this mobile screen, you can see the Freecash app here. You will see exactly this kind of dashboard when you open this app. I will talk about some of the features here. In this app, we can earn few different ways. First of all, you can see affiliate dashboard. We can earn up to 30% commission from the referring friend or if you make any referral. Second, you can see here a feature offer. There are lots of offer you can see on this dashboard. So if I scroll through, there are lots of offer you can see here inside feature offers. So let me tell you one thing on this app. Whenever you can see here lots of casino offers, if you cannot handle, do not touch this kind of casino offers here. Just below you can see other offer partner. If you open this kind of partner offer, you'll get little bit extra more coin. You can see here 1.5 times more points from partner offer. If you scroll a little bit down, if you do the survey, you will get credit as well. On the bottom right, you can see the reward section. If you click on the reward, in this daily bonus ladder, you can claim 7 cents here daily, or you can gamble for more points. In my profile section, you can see here 66.49 USD is ready for cash out. Let's go to the cash out section and we'll find out the cash out or withdraw options. You can see here lots of cash out option: PayPal, Bitcoin, stake is 15% bonus, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Faucet Pay. And below lots of options for the withdraw in gift cards: Amazon, Visa, Google Play, Apple, Netflix, Spotify, and so on. Let's go to the PayPal option. Lots of options here: $5, $10, $20, $30, and so on. But these options are fixed so that we have to withdraw $5 or $10 or $20, whatever we earn. Let's go to the other option. In Bitcoin section, we can withdraw in Bitcoin, but you can see here fee is 97 cents. So let's find out other option. Let's go back to SOAP. Stake, I'm not gonna stake. Let's go back. Ethereum. Now you can see here Ethereum fee is $2.07. This is also not good for us. Now let's go back. Litecoin fee is 0.00, so there is no fee for the Litecoin. Let's go back. Let's find out other option as well. Dogecoin 7 cents. Let's find out the last option, which is Faucet Pay. If you have the Faucet account, Faucet Pay also 0.00 fee. Although I've got the Faucet account, I'm not using Faucet to withdraw this one, so I will use the Litecoin for withdraw. Because Litecoin has no withdraw fee, this is the easiest option for me to withdraw. So we'll find out soon about this app. Is this going to pay or is this just another scam? I will use the Coinex. Let's go to the Coinex and get the receiving address. My asset, spot account, shows the Litecoin LTC. So deposit here, we'll get the deposit address from Coinex. So deposit, copy this one. Let's find out what are the deposit rules on this. You can see here on the bottom, minimum deposit is 0.01 LTC, so it will be good for me to withdraw here. So let's go back to the Freecash app and withdraw to Litecoin address. Paste my Litecoin address here. Save address, address saved. In this section, I want to withdraw all, that means 66.49. Also on the top, 66.49. You can see here withdraw option. Now let's withdraw 0.78241939 LTC I'll receive. So let's withdraw it and we'll find out the result soon. So without delay, let's click in the withdraw now. You don't have enough balance. Let's put 66 only. Withdraw it. I've got another message: action required, verify your phone number. So I'll put the phone number here. Now you can see here I have put my phone number and I will click the send SMS and we'll find out the next step. Send SMS now. Now it is asking for the verification code. I've got the verification code. Copy the code, paste it here, confirm. Phone number successfully verified. Now waiting for the result. there is one notification on the top right. Your account can withdraw and chat again. The reason was I haven't verified my phone number before, so it was asking for my phone number to verify. It looks like I have to withdraw it again, so I will withdraw it and we'll find out the next. I will put 66.49 again. Withdraw it. You don't have enough balance. I couldn't withdraw 66.49. That means it will need the withdraw fee, guys. So I'll put 66.48 next and we'll try again. Withdraw. In review. Your withdrawal will be approved by a moderator shortly. This usually takes just a few minutes. First time withdrawals are usually approved within 1 hour. In few seconds, you can see here withdrawal approved. You can see here on the top, after successful withdrawal, 0.01 cent balance is remaining now. First of all, we'll check the result in Coinex. Let's go back to the Coinex and we'll check the result. Accept. There is nothing yet in Coinex, but I'll wait 1 hour as it said earlier and I'll produce the result for you guys. After 5 minutes, I have received the LTC. You can see the date and time here. Withdrawal approved was 8:03 p.m. and also you can see on the Coinex side 8:08. That means 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, I have received the LTC. Also, you can see here LTC 0.78, 66.10 USD. So guys, this app is genuine, not a scam. I have just proved now by withdrawing LTC. So that's all for now, guys. If you want to see more this kind of videos in the future, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you all for watching until the end. I will see you in the next one.